Let's learn how to develop and grow your home inspection business even more. Check out the resources at step number 6 at natchi.org/everything. So here's step 6 on natchi.org/everything about developing and growing your business. I want to go over a few of the resources. We have BizVelop. We have 100 steps to growing and systematizing your multi-inspector firm. We have CCPIA. We have SoundSmart. We have the Home Inspection Business Course. We have InterNACHI membership benefits and competitive advantages. And you can hire me to work for you for 1 week, absolutely free. Okay, so let's go back. BizVelop.com. It's a free business development tool for home inspectors. You click BizVelop.com or visit BizVelop.com. It's powered by InterNACHI's founder, Nick Gromicko. A few short questions about your business, and BizVelop will show you how to take it to the next level to become successful. Then we have over 100 steps to growing and systematizing your multi-inspector firm. The more employees you have, the more money you make, your profits can endlessly multiply. And then you expand your residential inspection business into commercial property inspections by joining ccpia.org, and it looks like that. The next resource is to sound smart on the phone. Sell, convert, and schedule more inspection jobs on the phone with SoundSmart. You only get one chance to make a good first impression, so keep SoundSmart open in a browser window on your computer so you're ready to use it to sell services and convert incoming callers into scheduled inspections. And that's SoundSmart. You can take InterNACHI's free online home inspection business course. This is the only home inspection business course that I know of, and it's free and online for InterNACHI members. And then we have a long list of InterNACHI membership benefits and competitive advantages that you can enjoy. And then you click the link to hire me to work with you on your inspection business for 1 week, absolutely free. And that's at natchi.org 7 days. The number 7, DAYS. natchi.org/7 days. And those are the resources at step 6 on developing and growing your home inspection business.